How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Julie and I try to do something every day over here at the homestead. No matter what it is, we try to at least ways get something done every day. And you guys seen the shipping container, and if you notice, it's holding water. There's places up on there that's actually holding water. So what we're gonna do is, I went out in the woods there and cut a locust post, and I got a floor jack in there, and we're gonna try to jack that ceiling back up where it should be. Like I said, you can see where it's holding water. Now we might end up making some leaks, I don't know, but I got some tar, I got some other stuff to seal it with, so we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. That's the post we got, and I think it's gonna work out pretty good. We're just gonna set that post right on top of the floor jack and jack our ceiling up. Let's just see what happens if we go right here in the center.
I'll hold the post.
You that.
Huh?
You jack. You jack.
Tell me what to do.
Okay, so
It's really hard to tell.
go up a little more. Okay, take it down. We came down far too.
Did it come back down?
Yeah.
That I was afraid of.
Try right there. It may not stay up.
That's what I was wondering.
I mean, eventually I'm going to put a roof over it.
Yeah.
I just want to keep the water off of
Right.
it for now. Okay. Up and down, let's see what happens.
I can't tell.
I can't tell.
Should I go outside and look, or
You can if you want.
while you're working there and see
Yeah.
see if I can see any difference in it?
Tom! Okay, I'm just going to take a little bump on each one. Does it look higher in the middle? I mean, when I put it, I got it up now. When I put it down, is it still lifted up a little bit? All right, pushing up on the roof just wasn't going to work. Every time we pushed it up, it just popped back down. So We're still going to coat this roof with some sealer. And I come up and dug all the tar patches that were on the roof. This roof's a little bit rough shape, but I mean, I think it'll do okay until we get our wooden roof over top of it. We're going to put a new metal roof over top of it, and I think it's going to work out okay. But we are going to coat it with that trailer roof coat. It's aluminum roof coat, and right now I'm using this tar, and that's the stuff that I'm using right now, and putting it on these holes, or what looks to be patches that were on there before. So I just cut the old patches off and then put new patches on, and then tomorrow we're going to come back over and we're going to coat the whole entire roof. I'm hoping this works out. It should be okay. I had a little issue down here. I'll show you what this was. Now we found this hole, and Julie was sweeping it off, and we found this hole right here. Now it's not actually leaking into the container, but this chamber along here that goes the whole length of the building is full of water. So I come down here and I drilled a small hole. Right in here I drilled a small hole to drain the water out, and boy, the water's been pouring for a while. So I'm going to just take a drill and clean out that hole again, and hopefully it'll drain out a little faster, and then we're going to go ahead and patch that hole up on the top. We're going to get that patched up for sure. Okay, yesterday Julie and I, we tried to push up the roof. We couldn't get it to go up, but we did get all the patches, whatever we thought might needed patched, and now we're just putting the aluminum roof coat. And that's basically the same coating you would put on a mobile home or whatever. And what we want to seal it. It's only got to last for a while until we get the roof put over top of it. But I think it'll keep it cooler inside because it's a brighter color. It's not dark. Hopefully it'll keep it cooler and just keep it from rusting up too much before we get the roof over it. But it's looking good. It's definitely bright. Definitely bright. Definitely looks better than the old rust. So hopefully one day we'll get some metal on it. I better get up there and help Julie. Alright, we got the roof all sealed up. It looks pretty good. I think that's going to hold the temperature down, plus seal it up and keep it from rusting anymore. At least ways, like I said, until we can get the roof put on it.